What's good, YouTube, and welcome to my new channel. I'm Yamil Slim. I'm 26 years old from LA. I started this YouTube channel because I love talking clothes, everything about it, and I get a lot of questions on how I do my clothes, a lot of alterations, and hopefully I can answer those questions here. But enough about me, and let's get to the damn video. I'm gonna answer my most asked question and how I distress jeans my way. Here we have $70 minimal jeans with the knees blown out right here. Kind of like a Fear of God style with a little distress right here as well in the pocket. And I got these $25 H&M jeans that I'm gonna cut up. So I'm gonna turn these jeans into these jeans for 1/3 of the price. Okay, what you're gonna need is a rotary tool. Pretty cheap at Walmart, or you could use scissors. This is fabric chalk, I guess, chalk. A seam ripper, tweezers, and a piece of cardboard. Now I'm going to use a chalk to mark the top of the knee to the bottom. For detail, I'm going to mark 2 lines on the top. Now I'm going to mark exactly where I'm going to cut to make the knee blowouts. Now to the cutting. You need to slip this cardboard in the denim so you don't cut all the way through. Now you cut down the middle line first. The rotary tool makes it easy to distress cut. That's why I prefer using this instead of scissors or a knife. It gives it a professionally done look. Now you're going to cut the top lines to make a flat. Now you do the same on the other side. Now to detail the denim a bit, you're just going to make 2 cuts. You can make them as big or small as you want. This is all really just preference. Now this will be the most tedious part, so just be patient. Use the tweezers to pull the vertical yarns of fabric out of the denim. If you start from the middle, it'll start to look like this. Just keep going until both the flaps are done. After you're done pulling the vertical threads, this is what it should look like. And depending on the type of denim fabric the pants are made of, it could look different, so don't worry if it doesn't look exactly the same. Now this is where you just get creative with it. I take the rotary tool and just go over the pants a bit to add a bit more detail, make it look a little more destroyed. You honestly just have fun with it, do whatever comes to mind. Here I added a few holes and I went over the edges. Okay, now just like we did for the knees, you're going to pull the vertical threads from the 2 cuts we made up for more detail. Start at the middle again and just pull. And when you're all done, it should look like this. Now this part's optional, not really necessary, but I like to use a seam ripper, or you can use tweezers and kind of just pull the fabric down from the cuts so they hang out a little bit. you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm excited for this journey. If you guys have any questions, future video ideas, just put them on the comments below. And yeah, keep it locked.